Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a component that's absolutely crucial for high-power electrical systems. The QS10P-L high-current anti-spark connector. This is the male and female pair, presented in a sleek black finish, and it's built for serious applications like drones, e-bikes, RVs, and heavy-duty battery chargers. Looking at the specifications, this connector is designed to handle significant power. It boasts a continuous current rating of 210 amps, with a maximum peak current capability soaring up to 500 amps. That kind of power handling is essential for devices that draw massive amounts of current, especially during acceleration or under heavy load. A key feature that sets the QS10P-L apart is its integrated anti-spark design. When connecting high-voltage battery packs, particularly those with large capacitors in the system, you often get a noticeable and sometimes alarming spark. This spark is caused by the initial rush of current as the capacitors charge. Over time, this sparking can degrade the connector contacts, leading to increased resistance, heat, and potential failure. The anti-spark feature on the QS10P-L effectively suppresses this initial spark, resulting in a much smoother and safer connection process. This not only protects the connector itself, but also helps preserve the lifespan of your battery packs and connected electronics. In terms of construction, the materials used are top-notch for high-current applications. The plugs feature gold-plated brass contacts. Gold plating is highly valued for its excellent conductivity and resistance to corrosion, ensuring a reliable connection even in potentially harsh environments. The outer shell is made from durable nylon reinforced with fiber, providing mechanical strength and thermal resistance, capable of withstanding temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius. This robust build quality is vital for components operating under high stress. The connector is also designed to accommodate substantial wiring, supporting up to 6 AWG wire. Using thick gauge wire is critical for minimizing voltage drop and heat buildup when carrying hundreds of amps, ensuring efficient power transfer. The range of applications for the QS10P-L is quite broad, covering anything that requires a reliable, high-current connection. Whether it's powering large-scale remote control toys or drones that demand instant, high-power bursts, providing the main power link for electric bikes or RVs, or serving as a robust output connector for high-power battery chargers. This connector is up to the task. Its ability to handle high current combined with the anti-spark feature makes it a superior choice compared to standard connectors in these demanding scenarios. Overall, the QS10P-L connector feels like a premium, purpose-built component. Its high current ratings, effective anti-spark technology, quality materials, and sturdy construction make it an excellent option for anyone needing a dependable and safe connection for high-power electrical systems. It's designed for longevity and performance where it matters most.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.